Think about this carefully. Can you buy 2.5 pens? Of course not, because some things in life cannot exist in fractions. Some quantities are continuous, like water, distance, or time. They can be divided infinitely. But other quantities are discrete, like pens, people, or cars. And this simple distinction forms a fundamental idea in mathematics. Suppose you have $19 and you want to buy pens and books. A pen costs $3 and a book costs $5. Let X represent the number of pens and Y represent the number of books. Let's build the equation appears. Now we translate this real-life situation into mathematics. $3 for each pen gives us 3x. Plus sign and 5y appear. $5 for each book gives us 5y. And together, the total must equal 19. Now, the question becomes, what values of x and y satisfy this equation? One possible solution is x equals 3 and y equals 2. That means 3 pens and 2 books. This makes perfect sense in real life. But what about this solution? X equals 2.5 and y equals 2.3. This is not acceptable because you cannot buy fractional pens or fractional books. And this leads us to a very important mathematical idea. Whenever an equation requires integer solutions only, it is called a Diophantine equation. Types of Diophantine equation: linear Diophantine equation, quadratic Diophantine equation, exponential Diophantine equation, MPhil Diophantine equation, and many more advanced forms. Each type has its own methods to find integer solutions, unique challenges, and deep mathematical ideas.